So I have my slime here with me, and it is Tropical Sunshine slime, and it's scented sunscreen. Really weird, but it's glossy texture. Never tried it before. Never like tried to like touch this before yet because I just got it. Wait, hold on. This actually feels good. I mean, like, it's rippable, but like if you don't try as hard, it's really stretchy. It's like really stretchy. It's really different from oh wait, hold on. And there's like that glitch. Oh my gosh. Such a bad glitch. Anyway, but anyway, this is my slime, and it's really nice. It's stretchy too, so like if I want it to, it will literally fall down. But other than that, it's a really nice slime. So but anyways, gotta go, and nice day.